In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline an image in Canva. This is a fantastic way to make your images really stand out, whether you're creating social media graphics, posters, or any other type of digital content. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have a professional looking image ready to go. To get started, first open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one where you want to add the outlined image. Once you have your design up, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll find the options to edit your image. You'll want to select the image that you intend to outline. After clicking on the image, look for the option that says Edit Image. This is where all the tools you'll need are conveniently located. Next, after selecting Edit Image, you'll notice a variety of options appear. One of those options is Shadows. Go ahead and click on Shadows. This option is a versatile tool that Canva provides to help enhance your images by adding visual depth and creativity. Within the shadow settings, you're going to see several shadow styles. One of these is called Outline, and that's precisely what we're going to focus on. Click on Outline. When you select that, your image will automatically have an outline added around it. But we don't want to stop there. Canva allows for customization to ensure it fits your aesthetic perfectly. Once the outline effect is applied, look to the right hand side of your canvas where you'll see customization options like size, color, and intensity. Firstly, pay attention to the size slider. This lets you adjust how thick or thin you want your outline to be. A thicker outline might be perfect for a standout, bold style, while a thinner one could suit a more subtle touch. Play around with it to find the ideal thickness for your project's needs. Now, let's move to the color option. You can select the color that complements your design or makes your image pop. Don't hesitate to experiment with different colors. Canva's color palette gives you the freedom to match your brand colors or try out something new. Finally, there's the intensity slider, which adjusts how solid the outline's color appears. This can enhance visibility or add a softer feel depending on your requirements. Lower the intensity for a more faded look or crank it up to make your design elements truly catch the eye. Once you have the outline designed to your liking, click Apply to save your changes, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully outlined your image in Canva, giving it a polished and professional look that will captivate your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to experiment with different settings to bring your own creative touch to your projects. Thanks for tuning in.